Hello everybody, my name is Thomas Fricke. I'm the commercial director of the IMA Pharma Group and we are here at the Interpack.
Well, you have a very large stand. You're showing a lot here. It seems to tell me that Interpack is an important show for you. Can you go into that a little bit more, why the show is so important?
It's quite easy because this is the biggest show worldwide for packaging, but it's not only packaging anymore, it's now process and automation. So how can you miss a show which is coming every 3 years of this size? But you have seen our investment here in the big booth,
yes.
Which means we want to show the future of process, packaging and everything. And this goes along with all the new investments in humanoids, in cyberdogs, which is part of our cognitive manufacturing, which is the future for us. And we wanted to show it here.
Oh, great. So you mentioned, you have some of your new technology, your machinery. Would you like to go into a little bit more detail? You have so much to show us here, but what are some of the top highlights?
And the top highlights is really that a machine like this assembly machine, which could be used for the obesity pens, for example, is driving the surroundings. So we are not anymore in the traditional automation way. So here we are in cognitive manufacturing where the systems are communicating and really the machine is telling the humanoid or the dog what he wants to have, what he needs to have, what is the next step. And this is something we wanted to show besides all the machines we are showing here for the new technologies about cell and gene therapy, about all the new let's say eco-friendly packaging. And this is something we need to show here for the consumer and for the farmer.
Interpack, we have 3 hot topics this year: smart manufacturing, innovative materials, and future skills. Maybe you could just pick one of those and say what's most relevant for you.
That would be like asking what from the 4 wheels on your car is the most important one.
Right,
So
yeah.
you need them all. As the innovative material is very much important because we have the new request for achieving CO2 reduction and all this stuff. So there we work. Future skills are very important, especially for older men like me, to listen more to the younger men like working here in this area about what are the future needs, how we have to change as human beings in order to face the new challenges. And then these cognitive manufacturing, I'm always coming back to this point because the traditional way, like we have done it in the past, is over. And I have to admit that maybe I was the slowest one in accepting it, but now I see by myself what IMA has done and what we have developed. And if you see here, it's really working. It's not anymore the future, it's the present now.
There certainly is a lot to see here. Last question. Would you care to make a prediction for the next 3 to 5 years? What's going to drive the industry?
I think in 5 years from now on, we will not talk anymore about this topic about big data and cognitive manufacturing because it is already part of our life. So we have to adapt ourselves to this new technology. So high speed is not anymore the only driver for a huge production because it's not helping at all anymore. We have so many, from pharma for example, new requests for therapies which are, from a production point of view, dangerous for the operator. You can send robots in, you can check your machine with the data it's supplying in order to optimize the process, in order to be better, to reduce waste, which is then again going into sustainability. So you can imagine that the old engineer and the old operator will not be there anymore. We will have a complete new set of skills for everybody.
Okay, a lot to look forward to in the future. We thank you for your time. We know you're busy and we appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you for coming. All the best. Have a nice show. All the best.